Hello everyone, and welcome back to Flights Assistance Thai Airways 2025 Fleet Update. Modern, efficient and amp. Ready for the future. Thai Airways International, the flag carrier of Thailand and a Star Alliance member, has undergone significant fleet transformation since the pandemic. As of late 2025, its fleet stands at approximately 79 aircraft, blending proven widebodies for long-haul routes with efficient narrowbodies for regional operations. This modernization emphasizes fuel efficiency, reduced emissions, and enhanced passenger comfort, aligning with the airline's goal of carbon neutrality by 2050. Below are 7 key points highlighting these advancements. Streamlined narrow-body backbone with A321neo induction. Thai Airways is bolstering its short and medium-haul efficiency by inducting 5 Airbus A321neo aircraft starting mid-2025, with options for 5 more. These new generation jets feature Pratt & Amp Whitney-geared turbofan engines, slashing fuel consumption by up to 20% compared to older A320s. Configured with 16 lie-flat business seats and 159 economy seats, they include Wi-Fi and advanced IFE systems. This addition replaces aging A320,200s, 20 in service, average age 11.9 years, optimizing domestic and ASEAN routes while cutting CO2 emissions by 50% per seat. A350-900, the efficient long-haul workhorse with 23 Airbus A350s in service. Average age 7.8 years. These composite airframe jets form the core of Thai's modern widebody fleet, offering 25% better fuel efficiency than legacy Boeing 777s. Configurations vary from 32 Premium Economy plus 289 economy seats to 33 Business plus 301 Economy, prioritizing space and quiet cabins. In 2025, Thai signed a letter of intent with Airbus for retrofits starting 2028, introducing new Royal Silk Business Suites and Economy Plus zones. This enhances operational reliability on routes to Europe and Australia, reducing maintenance costs through advanced aerodynamics. Boeing 777 modernization for high-density routes. The 20 Boeing 777s, 777,200 ERs and 17,777,300 ERs, average ages 18.4 and 10.6 years, handle high-capacity long-haul flights, with setups like 8 Business plus 40 Premium Economy plus 255 economy seats. To boost efficiency, retrofits begin in 2027, removing first-class cabins, adding lie-flat Royal Silk seats, and reintroducing Economy Plus for better revenue per passenger. Powered by GE90 engines, these twins achieve 15% lower fuel burn post-upgrade, supporting Bangkok's hub growth while phasing out older models by 2029. 787 Dreamliner expansion. Fuel-saving future-proofing Thai's 10 Boeing 787s, 6 7878s and 4 7879s, average ages 10.9 and 7.7 years, exemplify efficiency, with 20% less fuel use and lighter composites enabling longer ranges. Configurations include 2430 Premium Economy plus 240,262 economy seats. A landmark 2024 order commits to 45 firm plus 35 optional 787s, deliveries from 2027, including 6 787-10 conversions, powered by GEnx engines for reduced noise and emissions. This fleet renewal targets 98 widebodies by 2033, enhancing competitiveness on trans-Pacific routes. A330,300, versatile bridge to full modernization. 6 Airbus A330,300s, average age 15.2 years, provide flexible medium-haul capacity, configured in all economy, 294 seats, or mixed class, 48 business plus 185 economy, layouts. Acquired partly from Virgin Atlantic, these jets feature efficient Trent 700 engines, burning 10–15% less fuel than predecessors. Slated for retirement by 2033, they serve as interim assets, bridging to A321neos and 787s, while retrofits add premium economy for premium revenue streams. Sustainability through engine and tech upgrades. Efficiency drives Thai's 2025 strategy, with GEnx engines on incoming 787s cutting fuel use by 15% and emissions by 20%. The fleet's average age of 10.7 years reflects proactive renewals, including wireless IFE and Wi-Fi across new aircraft. Thai's carbon neutrality pledge includes sustainable aviation fuel, SAF, trials and retrofits reducing weight via lighter materials. These measures lower operating costs by 10–15% annually, positioning the airline as a green leader in Asia. Holistic fleet growth to 150 aircraft by 2033 from 78 active aircraft, 58 widebody, 20 narrowbody. In mid-2025, Thai aims for 150 by 2033, emphasizing all premium economy and business-focused cabins over first class. This expansion, rejecting short-term leases for strategic orders, integrates 32 A321neos and 50-plus 787s for seamless hub connectivity. Benefits include 25% capacity growth, diversified routes, and a 30% emissions drop, ensuring resilience and passenger loyalty in a post-pandemic era. In total, Thai Airways' 2025 fleet evolution prioritizes sustainability and performance, transforming challenges into opportunities for efficient global connectivity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more aviation insights and airline updates every week. Thank you for watching.